What's the meaning of advanced? Advanced. 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 The word advanced typically refers to something that is at a high level of development, progress, or complexity. It suggests a state or a stage beyond the basic or the initial. When we describe something as advanced, we usually mean that it has surpassed a certain threshold of sophistication, skill, or knowledge. This could apply to technology, medicine, science, education, or any other field that requires specialized expertise. Overall, the term advanced implies a level of excellence, innovation, and achievement that sets it apart from the ordinary or the average.